Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of React Material UI. So today we are going to solve one issue, that is module not found, error can't resolve Material UI data grid. So basically that means Material UI data grid is not available. So how to solve this issue? So basically you need to install this command npm @mux data grid mu material. Material UI is already there, so you need to just install npm material UI this. After installing all this, you can see that the when I try to install with the npm start, okay, and you can see that the okay some where it is running is somewhere else. So I'm going to close all the terminals and open the project again, and here we are going to add npm start, okay, and you can see that the project is running well and there would be a no error in that, okay. So this is how we can solve that issue. So in the next video we're going to learn about this table and how we are going to add the links and everything on that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.